So hello guys, so I'll be having my exam in 3 weeks, so I decided to share my format of preparation. So the first step was to list out your courses for the semester, and here is mine. I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so I'm having 8 courses exam in 3 weeks. So the next thing I did is to write out the ratings for my course. At the front you can just write here ratings. So for my engineering math, I know I'm not up to the standard of what I should be. Not like I don't have an idea about the course, but I have a standard for myself. So engineering math, I rate it 0. So my fluid mechanics 3. I rate applied mechanics 2. So engineering graphics, that's a drawing course, so I rate it 4. And entrepreneurship, that's a kind of a more of a theory course, so I love theory subjects also, so I rate it 7. Applied electricity, I know I'm done with the course outline, so I'll rate it 6. So civil drawing, I'll rate it 2. And computer and software engineering, it's a theory course also, so I'll rate it 7. So then I listed out my days of the week. So I'm having Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So since I'm having 3 weeks, so I don't have a day I will say okay, I'm working throughout, and I would try to, and you should also don't overwork yourself. So just do it according to what you know you can go about. So for my Monday, I know my Monday are a busy day and a tough day for me, so I put engineering maths since it is rated 0. So I'm doing engineering maths on Monday only. So on Tuesday, I'm having applied mechanics, which is rated 2, and engineering maths. So I'm solving a little bit of engineering maths, not like I'm doing engineering maths throughout, but I'm solving a little bit of engineering maths on Tuesday. So on Wednesday, revision of engineering maths and fluid mechanics. So on Thursday, I'm solving engineering maths and I'm solving applied mechanics. So Friday, my theory course, which is computer and software engineering, and I will take a rest. And if I can, I would study a little bit of applied electricity. Then on Saturday, which is a free day for me, I don't go to school on Saturday, so I think applied electricity and engineering graphics, which is a drawing course, will fit in on that day. So and on Sunday, I'm having civil drawing, which is a very compulsory course because it's a departmental course for me. So and it's a kind of a bonus, that it should be a bonus. So and I'm also doing weekly mock on Sundays. So here is it. So for this part, I listed out what I would be doing and maybe the study techniques I would be doing. So number 1 is to prioritize revision, memorization, and practice, which is consistency. So I have to be consistent about what I'm doing. So the number 2 is to take breaks. So for my break, the time management part, I'm using Pomodoro technique, so which is I would be working for probably 30 minutes, then out of that 30 minutes I'll take 5 minutes break, so that will be 25 minutes work and 5-minute break. So and if I'm going to be using 45 minutes, that would be 45 minutes work and 15-minute break. So for my resources, I listed out resources like YouTube. So I'm using YouTube, I'm using lecture notes, some PDFs which I already listed out. So for my revision, I'm using past questions and AI generated questions and also my textbook questions. So the next one is mind mapping. So for mind mapping, it's kind of visualization, a visualization technique. So just putting what goes together, we should put it together. So and I'm using blotting. I already talked about blotting in my last video, so you can check that out. So I'm also using since I'm an engineering student, so I have a lot of formulas to memorize. So I'm memorizing formulas by listing the formulas out, then recall the formulas, and also I'm doing that for steps also. So and I am highlighting key parts of my notes. So then the next one is to always pray, always pray. So prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. So here I listed out some of my prayers. I'm a Muslim, so I listed out my prayers. So here, and here is it also. So after prayers, the next one is flashcards. So for my flashcards, I already talked about flashcard in my last video, so you can check that out. So I'm using sticky tapes, sticky notes, or sticky tapes, anyone you call it. So the next one is you use Feynman technique. Feynman technique is the best of my study technique, which I've been using for a while. So I'm using Feynman technique for mostly engineering maths, engineering maths. So and the last part is to generate mnemonics with AI. So maybe I have a lot of listed something to memorize, then I can just give it to AI. Okay, just AI should help me form a mnemonics on that thing I listed out. So that's just it. And thank you guys. You can check out my last video, and also if you are in for videos like this, subscribe to my channel and also like my channel. So thank you guys. Love you.